I was going to the bathroom. I heard all this bee swarming going on in these bushes over here. This one over there. Oh, look who's such a rolling a bunch of stuff yesterday. Like I said, not every view is going to be the greatest view, but meanwhile, this is a nice campground. In this national park in Virginia, Shenandoah. Foggy morning in Virginia. Well, guys, we are going to get up, and as me just researching all trails, notice the Appalachian Trail is just right over there. And we can get up to the Appalachian Trail, and then there's a little hike around an area that we're gonna go check out. It's foggy out. Dukkie's still sleeping, but we're gonna get him up and see if he wants to go for a hike. Duke, you wanna go for a hike? All right, guys. Well, it's still foggy out. Duke, we're waiting patiently. Wanna go for a hike? Go for a hike. And we're gonna head to the Appalachian Trail, right down the street, right up a little mountain, and then over this way. See you there. It's to the Appalachian Trail. So this is where people probably come camping. Watch how much happier he's going to be off the leash. Come on, Duke. See much. Hello. House up there. Looks pretty creepy. Alright. Says it's a parking lot up there. And it'll take us, it takes me back to the campground. Appalachian further, and then there's a trail that goes all the way around 3 miles. I don't know if we want to do that 3 miles. Did look up, and we can go this way a little while. And it'll take us to an overlook, and then it can take us back to the campground. Alright, dude, come on. Come on. Come on, good boy. No horses. Alright, we're gonna go that way, but I want to see. This looks pretty cool down here, real quick. Oh, yeah. Pretty nice. Ooh, there's that lookout right there, I think. What? What are you kidding? Ooh, here's another one. Oh yeah. Just imagine, Duke, in 2 more days we're gonna be able to see more. Oh God. Look at this. Come on. Sorry about the crazy wind. Good boy. Dukkie's a rock climbing dog. So there's some cabins you can rent here. Big Meadows Lodge. Elevation 3,640. Gift shop. And stuff we need to see. And I will definitely be coming back to this campground. I'll be definitely coming back to this national park. I'll definitely come back to this beautiful Appalachian trail. There's nice people over there that I talk to. Don't roll anything or I'll kick your butt. It's not time for that. This includes that hike in this campground, and we're heading to a nice beautiful spot in not Pittsburgh, but in Pennsylvania. And I looked at pictures this morning and the view I have is amazing. So what it looks like is that you drive in and you go down some stairs and they got an open spot with your picnic table and your fire pit, and you look over the water. Thanks for watching this episode, American Freedom Tour 2023. Fired up. Skyline Drive, it's taking us. Let's do it. There's a nice little pull off right here. We're gonna check it out. Oh yeah.